Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Welcome back. So, children, yesterday we revised alphabet A to Z through jolly phonic songs, right? So, today also we will do the revision of alphabet A to Z through an interesting activity. So, are you all ready to do the activity? Yes? Very good. Come on, let's start. Children, for this activity, I have kept different objects here and I have some flashcards related to these objects. So we will identify the alphabet related to each object and put them in front of the related object. Let's start. First object is an alligator. A for alligator. Where is A? Yes. So we will take the flashcard of A and put it in front of alligator. Now let's see the next object. Next object is a ball. B for ball. Where is B? Let's find out. Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes. So we will keep the alphabet B in front of the ball. Now next object is a car. C for car. So let's find out the alphabet C. Is this C? No. Is this C? Yes. So we will keep the flashcard of C in front of car. Next object is duck. D for duck. Now let's take the alphabet D flashcard. Yes. And keep it in front of duck. Next is an engine. E for engine. So let's see the flashcard of E. Yes. So we will keep the alphabet E in front of engine. The next object is a fork. F for fork. Now next is grapes. G for grapes. Where is alphabet G? Yes. So let's take the alphabet G flashcard and keep in front of grapes. Next is horse. H for horse. So let's take the alphabet H and keep it in front of horse. Next object is iron. I for iron. So we will find out I. Yes. I for iron. Next is jam. Yummy, yummy jam. J for jam. So now we will find out the flashcard of J. Where it is? Yes. Keep it in front of jam. Next object is keys. K for keys. So let's see, where is alphabet K? Yes. K for keys. Last is lemon. L for lemon. So we'll keep the alphabet L in front of lemon. Now next object is mug. M for mug. Where is M? Tell me. Yes. M for mug. Next is nuts. These are nuts, children. N for nuts. So let's find out N. Yes. N for nuts. Next object is an onion. O for onion. Where is O? Yes. So let's keep alphabet O in front of onion. Next is pen. P for pen. Where is alphabet P? Let's find out. Yes. P for pen. Next is quill. Q for quill. So where is alphabet Q? Here. Q for quill. Next object is a ring. R for ring. So we'll keep alphabet R in front of a ring. Next is a spoon. S for spoon. So we'll keep alphabet S in front of a spoon. Next object is a tree. T for tree. Where is T? Yes, this is T. So T for tree. Next is an umbrella. U for umbrella. Where is alphabet U? Is this U? No. Is this U? Yes. U for umbrella. Next is van. V for van. Where is alphabet V? Yes. So we will keep alphabet V in front of van. Next is walnut. W for walnuts. So we will take the alphabet W flashcard and keep it in front of walnut. Next is an X-ray. See children, this is an X-ray. X for X-ray. Now let's see the next object. What is this? Yellow color. So yellow starts with Y. And the last is zebra. Z for zebra. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Okay then, keep learning and keep practicing and keep smiling. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.